temperature.
Burn my popcorn, you mother. Oh, I didn't hit the PTO switch. What a fucking asswipe.
What a dumbass!
Ugh. Too excited about getting to mash something. Heck no. Well, didn't me and you get a TV a while back then?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All you did is you should have done it the other way.
Yeah, but now we can see what's in there. See if it makes me sterile. It's mashed too much. It's done. There you go. See how strong that glass is. There you go. Get the hell out the way. Oh, come on now. Apparently it's pretty good stuff.
Microwave looks like.
Yeah. I may not be able to mash a log, but we can take a 1981 microwave flattener.
Control panels. Time out.
Tired of the controls, are you? Drive by, I think I lost my damn. What'd you do? I found me a new toy.
Exactly. Curl the blade a little. Now bring it down. Then poke that fucker. That's a compact microwave now, boys.
Oh, how backed up the hydraulics are even grunting.
Yeah,
Not far enough. There you think? Damn!
Yeah, there's something hard right there.
Yeah, there is.
I think that's probably...
We're done. And that's how you waste 4 minutes of your day on a microwave.